Hello and welcome to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. On today's episode, we're going to be working on my friend Kieran's GT86. Hey! Yeah, so we're going to be modifying it. So what lights have we got for the rear of the car, bro?
So for the rear we have the Crystaleye Vulcan V2 fiber LED headlights. Sorry, taillights.
Yeah, man, they look absolutely sick. We have them unboxed and all, but we have some condensation in the old lights. That's why they got to go for that NCT. But we have Kieran's gonna get them for us to show us.
Some pre-sale, obviously.
Holy shit, they're fucking class. They're probably even better than the Valentis, right?
Well, I think so. It's just to get something different, and you know, they do kind of have a bit of the OEM look, like they have the ring of death for the inside, but obviously they're upgraded with the sequentials, and the light bar is gonna really pop on them as well, so they'll be just a great look overall, better than the originals.
They're unreal. So let's get them installed. You're gonna see Kieran a little bit more on this channel whenever he gets some modifications for his GT86. It's the opposite of mine, black one for my white one. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's go. All right, Kieran, let's check out the instructions. You go get down there. What are these like?
No, it's the other one. Yeah, that's all pretty standard.
Yeah. What? Install the... Yeah, no idea what the fuck that says. So we're just gonna fucking wing it. Hopefully it's something like my lights. If not... Well, if you have Crystaleye headlights, taillights... Shit.
That's gonna keep happening.
Yeah, it's gonna keep happening. Let's start by stripping the boot of the car. Let's go. So for them rear bolts, you need an 8mm socket, preferably one of the deep sockets, because we always like it deep in Dub Monkey Garage. So we're gonna get a start on taking these bolts out, but first the best thing to do is for us to unclip the harness for it, so when we pull it out, that we don't pull the wiring out too. Okay, so we have all the 4 bolts out, and Kieran is now going to remove the tail light. Oh yeah, and just give it a little tug. And there, oh look at that, oh yeah. Fucking OEM is the best, man. Look at that, crusty as shit.
Maybe I won't keep this.
Yeah, you might.
Yeah, someone will buy these, won't you?
Yeah, 20 quid. See where that all built up? It goes under there and just coats the back of the car. And that's how it gets full as well, of the condensation.
Yeah.
There you go. Swap these. Did we plug it in? I don't think I did.
Oh, for
Oh, that's so funny. I was like, when I was sitting in the car, I was like, why is he saying there's nothing? I mustn't have plugged it in. Oh, God.
Oh, man. So this is the first look at the Crystaleye taillights, and they are bright. Holy smokes. Yeah, so that's the sequential work in there. Do a full pull on it, Evan.
Do a full what?
Do a full indication.
That's full.
Interesting.
How's
okay, it's only doing the 2 outer ones.
So that
might feed the rest of the line then. See that it's...
Oh my God, they're sick.
Which is kind of scum. But
Oh
I
my
fucking
God.
love that. Yeah, you see that? It's like yellow-ish. That's
Yeah.
the way it always looks. So I was like, oh, the lighting might be weird on it.
Yeah, that's weird because
Yeah.
for us off camera it looks pure red.
Yeah.
That is so sick. Will I just get that thing and plug it in? Wait, what's this there?
Oh, so that was only half. That's no.
No, that's still not. That's just normal lights.
When you had it the other way, that was sequential. But yeah, so maybe it needs the feedback.
I'd
Power
say
the
that's what it is. It must be that.
Now that is more like it. So that's the full sequential indicator. I'm kind of speechless. That
Oh
looks
my
sick.
God.
So just to catch you guys up, we put it in the first time and it was only doing half of the sequentials, the first two closest to the actual GT86 logos. So you will have to wire in, this is a harness that came with it. So obviously yellow to yellow, black to black. And I don't know why, but it powers the two outer sets of LEDs. So those ones there.
It's so slick and
on top
smooth.
of this,
Isn't
that's
it's so
amazing.
smooth.
It's so smooth. So that's class. They're kind of yellowish
Yeah.
as well, which
That means you'll definitely pass an SET with that.
yeah, that's great. And we'll get a shot of the brake light now as well. So that's the brakes, and they are also really bright. Yeah, so it has a great reflection. So it's sort of similar to the OEM with the outer circle of brake lights, but it really flows from out that and like gives it a lot of depth. That was one of the main things that I liked about it. It was like this real piercing effect on it, and just that little side kind of reflector there as well. So it actually looks pretty good in the side shot too. So now we're going to try and install the right hand light as well.
So this is my reaction checking out the lights for the first time. Let me see how it goes. Oh, the ring is so it's so like the OEM. Let's do it again.
Yeah.
But so much nicer. Oh, these headlights are so nice. That indicator though. These are class. If I didn't have new taillights already, these are definitely what I'd go for. They're so sick. Sweet, so we're gonna just do a quick time lapse and do the second one. Remember, if you have any questions on installing your own lights in the rear of your car, just make sure to drop a comment. And if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, hit like. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Check this out. Okay, now it's time to check out the new lights. Let's go. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Big shout out to Kieran for his sick new lights. So, hope you enjoyed seeing the new lights. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions, remember, drop them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. And thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.